to this new product discovery video. Today we're going to learn about bulk pots.
This is Design Education with Mia Tahan.
They were first made in 1825 and their designer is unknown. But the Le Parfait brand, which is French for the perfect, has been selling the original design since the beginning. The design has been copied and derived, but none equate the original design. These are iconic pots used for conservation. They were French made and still are today. They come in various sizes and have different purposes. So they have honey jars, jam jars, general purpose jars, and water bottles or liquid bottles. The orange rubber on these pots are used to hermetically seal them, make sure that there's no air, no oxygen coming in to make the food go bad. The iconic metal mechanism that these pots have are used to seal and secure the pots so that the pots don't open by mistake. So the target consumer of this product was people who cook at home and who wanted to conserve their products, their foods, for long periods of time. So think about your grandmother who used to make tomato paste in the summer and keep it all year round so she can use it in the winter when tomatoes didn't grow. Nowadays, tomatoes are grown in the winter, but that's a whole nother story and we'll get to that in other videos. Today, their demographic expands to people who want to buy in bulk and who are conscious of the waste that they're producing because of buying single-use packaging. These pots also promote at-home cooking because you can keep the food that you make inside, kind of like Tupperware. Actually, there's this brand now, this is not an ad, but there's this French brand called Cocotte. I absolutely love their products, and their whole philosophy is let's reduce waste by pushing people to cook at home more, and they provide products that can help you cook better tasting food. That way you reduce the waste that the food industry produces by going to restaurants and delivering food online less often. Now let's do a little bit of design analysis. Now, their trademark orange rubber is kind of what sets them apart from other sustainable products, which can often look washed up and a little bit boring. So these pots are really stand out thanks to that orange rubber. So one of the major design points of this product is that big opening at the top, which can let liquids but also big pieces of food, pasta, and lots of bigger items fit into the pots. This is considered good design because it fits a lot of different needs. It's not too specific because sometimes you can make something that's too specific and it really won't sell. These pots can adapt to any kitchen use, really. Another plus for that big opening is the fact that those bulk distributors at supermarkets have a smaller opening than the ones of the pots, and so you're sure that every time you'll be able to put your pot in there. Another thing is that their lids are flat, and so that enables you to stack the jars in your kitchen. It's space saving and you don't need as many shelves. Lastly, the glass is quite thick and is made to not break easily. Now let's talk about materials, manufacturing, and sustainability. The three materials this jar is made of is glass, metal, and rubber. So the glass and the metal are recyclable. The day where you decide that you don't want it anymore, you can put it in recycling and it will hopefully, depending on the policies in where you live, it'll hopefully be recycled. Now, the only problem is the rubber band. Rubber is basically latex that we've vulcanized, so it's been treated, and that treatment kind of takes it from something that biodegrades to something that'll take quite a few years to decompose and won't really serve a purpose in any ecosystem. There is some research being done, and there are some bacteria that will actually eat rubber. That's actually an interesting path to go towards if we use bacteria to kind of get rid of our waste. We could also replace these rubber bands with natural latex, although I don't know if it'll have the same kind of abilities. But natural latex will biodegrade. Now, another point is that a lot of people use these jars to make DIY projects, and the company actually likes that and encourages that part. So, are these pots a solution for less wasteful packaging in supermarkets? Should we even have supermarkets the way we do? Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.